Good day to you from me, BernieB in Hamilton's. I'm going to give you a couple of tips on don'ts with chalk paint. Number one, do not add tap water into your chalk paint. Rather take some out and mix it in a separate container. Because by adding tap water and letting your chalk paint stand when you've finished using it, is going to cause a bacteria within the product, and standing around the chalk paint is going to go rotten. So rather only mix water in a separate bowl with enough chalk paint for the project you're doing. Number two, do not wax your furniture prior to applying chalk paint. Please, people think if they wax it first and then put the chalk paint, it's going to spread nice and further. The product is going to peel off if you scratch at it. No waxing before applying chalk paint. Number three, no prep, no prime. Please, if you've bought a piece of furniture and you don't know what's on it, or if there is a hard coating on there, rather prep the product properly. Give it a nice sand. Use an appropriate primer. That little bit extra goes a long way to having success with your chalk paint project. Number four, do not dip a dry brush into the chalk paint. Rather wet the brush, not excessive moisture, just damp, and then dip, because dry and thick, because chalk paint is quite thick. Do not do a dry brush into the thick chalk paint without wetting your brush or washing it first. Number five, do not wax immediately after you've done your chalk paint. The chalk paint needs to harden and cure. So I would recommend only waxing your project after a minimum of 24 to 48 hours. I hope that was helpful. Thank you. I hope you liked the video and please subscribe. From me, BernieB and Hamilton's, thank you.